Okay, so this is humongous snowflakes falling on Tyler. Here's Max with one on his head. And if you look straight up, it's like the sky is falling.
Let me hold the camera. How does it do that?
I don't know how it does it.
Let me stand
It's
right
just snowing.
here. Let me stand right here.
No, I don't want to get the camera wet. That's why I'm standing under the ledge. Look at me. Look. What is today, Tyler? Do you remember the date? May what?
14th.
May 14th. It is May 14th, 2010. I think that is so cool. It's like you're in a whole new world.
I eat them so they don't fall. Oh my god.
Is that cool?
You just go all the way up.
It just keeps falling, doesn't it?
Oh.